This is autopilot at work. We are now we are doing test sail. So the autopilot is engaged. The course that we want is 201. The offshore course is 211, 210 now. We want 201. And let's see what will happen. So as you can see, we are sailing now. Sailing on the motor on the very slow speed, like 1.5 knots per hour. Again, this is a test run, so I will say now to the autopilot to go more to the right. I push this button, and as you can see, it is responding by going more to the right, because the course that we changed to was 211. Yeah, 211. Now it's 202, 203, the offshore course, but we want 211. It's more to the right. So slowly it will get on its course. And again, let's say we want a little bit more. Let's say to the left. So we'll push the button here, 5. And it's going to the left now. It means minus 10 degrees. And if I push number 6, it will go to the right, plus 10 degrees. You can do perhaps, yes, now, as you can see, 211, 209, actually it's 208 now. We want 211, so let's go a little bit more to the right. Push number 6. The steering wheel is moving. So basically the autopilot, Pypilot, seems to work fine. Sean Depigny, thank you very much for this design. I gained a lot of knowledge from doing this project. Bye.